Hello. Welcome to the second part of this enrichment activity. What we did with the first one was we went to a website called glowtext.com, and basically we created an image, a GIF file, and we uploaded it to our website. The problem with this is this website, not only can it create pictures, it also can create animations. So if we look here, this is what we ended up with, except we didn't have that kind of spotlight effect. I think they call it a sweeping effect through it, because we just saved it as just a picture, not an animation. So this is going to be a little more advanced, but we're going to go ahead and take and actually get inside the website. Look at not just what the user or someone who's coming to our website would see, but the actual code to it. Here's what we're going to do, and here's what I'm going to ask you guys to do is when you go to Weebly, for this, I'm going to go back so everyone can see me. I'm going to ask that you first go to Pages and create a new one called Sandbox. Sandbox is kind of a tech term for when kind of the idea of you're playing in a sandbox. But what this is going to allow us to do is create a page. If we mess it up, we delete the page and we don't really ruin our website. So I've created one called Sandbox already, and this is important because what I want to show you, I'm going to take and replace this image right here. So go ahead and choose this where it says the second one. It's the small header, content area. Boom. And I'm going to go to edit that page. Now, once I get here, it looks just like anything else. It looks real generic. You can see I'm on the sandbox page here. If I want to drag stuff, but we want to do a little more high-tech stuff with this. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on the Design tab at the top, and we're actually going to edit the code that creates this website. And I know for some of you this may be the first time seeing this kind of stuff, but every website's created using different kinds of codes, whether it's HTML, style with CSS, Java, and a whole bunch of different languages. So if we were going to make a change and apply it to our entire website, every single page, this is where we do it, under where it says main style.css. That stands for Cascade Style Sheets. But we're actually going to go down because we want to edit the one with that short little banner, and that's what we have here. So we're going to go down to this short header HTML. HTML is kind of one of the precursors to some of the more advanced languages. And this is what it looks like. And basically, just trying to give you a real quick history of this is you open something and you have to close it. So here, see HTML, that's how you open it, with a caret, HTML, caret, and then at the very end, you close it with a slash mark behind it. So it's caret slash mark HTML close. So that's kind of like the container that all the code goes into. And anything you do, like the body, there's the end, and you can see here's the body. It opens it. And there's the caret. So that's telling it everything inside here goes in the body, and then they close it. So what we're going to do is I went to this glowtext.com website, and the first time we just downloaded the picture, just the GIF. It's real simple, and we uploaded it. This one's a little bit more advanced. We're going to click here to get the web code. It's going to show us this. A couple different ones. This is the one we're going to use. That first one. Just highlight that, and we're going to copy that code. We're then going to come back here, and remember I'm on the short header HTML, so I'm just going to apply my effect to this one page, and that's exactly what I want. And you kind of see here, the more you look at this stuff, you kind of get to see, okay, this kind of makes sense. Like this is the header, so it's going to be up in the top. We want it up here, and I really like about this is it gives you the preview, so if we put it in the wrong spot, no big deal. As long as we don't hit save, it's not even going to apply it, but we can kind of see. So let's say I want to put it, I'm just going to put my cursor here, I hit enter or return to create some space, and I'm going to paste that code. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to go Command V or edit paste, and it added it. And there it did. It added it with that sweeping effect. So it's pretty cool. So what we've done is we've gone inside our website and added code, HTML code, to just one page. Now the only thing I don't like about this is I don't want a picture here and this animated text. So I'm going to go ahead and just basically wipe out by clicking here right above it the website header, which I think that's going to be that. I'm going to delete that. And you see what it did? It took that picture away. That website header was just the thing. So now I can go ahead. I kind of like it. Remember, this is just a practice, just a trial to see how we do with the HTML. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to publish my website. I'm going to go ahead and view my website. I think this is, there we go. And here we are on the home page. So I'm going to go all the way down here to my sandbox. Oh, there we go. Looking good. Enrichment activities. So you can see this is one way, instead of just adding a picture that didn't have any of that animation to it, to really get into the HTML and do that. And because we went to that short header and we added to just the HTML, we don't have to worry about applying it to all of our pages. We just have it on just the one page that we really want it to. Now in this case, now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go back and add it to my enrichment activity pages. Alright, hope you enjoyed this, and I know it got a little more advanced, but just watch the video if you need to again.